What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a simple pencil illustration of Mr. Potato Head from Toy Story. For today's lesson, we'll need some plain white paper and a pencil. I'm going to start today's sketch off with this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick. I want to begin by adding some guidelines to help with the balance and symmetry of our drawing. So let's start in the center page with a straight line, starting from the very top. Just going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom using these short lines. Now we're going to move to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now I want to place the eyes just above the center line, so when we move up, just going to mark off the top of the eyes somewhere around here, with a straight line going across. And then we'll leave a gap in the center, go to the left side and draw an oval, starting from the top, come all the way down towards that bottom line. Now leaving a small gap in the center, go up towards the top. Now this oval doesn't have to be perfect, we can always go back and just smooth this out. And then we want to line that up on the right. Just drawing the same sized oval, making sure that the width is the same. And then along the top of each eye, we're going to add a curve for the eyelid, going up and then down towards the inside. Let's push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller oval, going all the way around. Again, just roughing this in. And I'm just going to lightly shade in the inside of the pupils. Now I'm going to squeeze the center of the nose in between the eyes. So up here, we're going to draw a long oval, coming down towards the bottom of the nose, in the center, and then back up. Almost the same size as the eyes. And we want to flare out the nostrils. So on the left, we're going to draw a half circle, going out and then back in. From the bottom tip of the nose, step down. Just going to mark off the bottom of the mustache with a straight line, going all the way across. Now, let's go back up underneath the nostrils. We're going to bend the mustache, going out and then down. Let's open up the mouth with a curve coming down and then back up. And I want to add some thickness to the lower lip. Stepping out, coming down, and then back up. Now, along the top, we're going to add a curve for the teeth, coming down in the middle and then back up. And then along the bottom, draw a short curve going up and then down. Now that we've drawn the face, let's draw on the top of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to step out. We're going to go straight up. I'm just going to round out the top of the head, come down the right side, and then down towards that bottom line. Let's bend the body, going down and then out towards the bottom of that mustache line. Round out the body, come across the middle, and then back up on the right. Now I want to place the hat on top of the head. So over on the left, bend this down in the middle, and then back up. Curl up the hat brim up towards the top. Now from the left side, I'm just going to bend the hat brim coming down and back up. You want to come down a little bit lower in the middle, going up higher along the ends. Now right up here, we'll draw a half circle for the top of the hat, going up and then back down. Let's place the eyebrows underneath the hat. On the left side, bend this up and then in. Line this up on the right, coming down. Let's round out the inside of the eyebrows, going up underneath the hat. Round out the outside. And it will follow the same curve going up underneath the hat. Now we're going to come all the way back down towards the bottom and place the feet underneath the body. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side. Bend the foot, coming in and down towards the heel on both sides. And then from the heel, round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Now from the outside of the foot, we're going to curve the foot going up and then bring that down towards the heel. It's like drawing a half circle. And then from the top of the foot, bend this up and then in towards the body. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now, we're going to draw two large ovals on the side of the head for the ears. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up, come around towards the bottom, and back in. We're going to bring the ears down towards that center line. Let's move down and draw the curve for the arms. On the left side, bend this around and then down. From the wrist, we're going to draw an oval and an angle. And you want to bend the hands coming in and then down. Let's start from the oval, come in and then down. Round out the fingers, and just bend that back up towards the oval. It's almost like drawing a mitt. Now we want to go back up to the top of the arms, just beside the body. We're going to draw an oval, just a thin oval on the side. From the bottom of the oval, just going to draw the inside of the arm. Just going to follow that curve coming in towards the cuff. From the bottom, bend this down toward that center line, and then in. Now that we have a rough sketch in place, let's go back and erase some of these guidelines. Now switch to a 0.9mm pencil and start adding some contrast to our lines. And we just want to clean up the shapes. So we can go back and just modify the size and shape if we need to. So we want to start with the inside edge of the eyes first. And we also want to add a little bit of thickness, just to give our lines some weight. We'll go back and just darken up the eyelids. We'll trace out the pupils, and we'll darken up the inside. Now you don't want to close off the nose along the outside. It's going to leave a little bit of a gap right beside the nostrils. Now with the bottom edge of the mustache, I want to add these little curves going across. Now we're just going to add a few folds inside the ear, starting along the top, and just fade that down. Then add that fold along the inside. Now we're going to separate each of the fingers. Starting along the bottom, we'll separate the first finger, just rounding this out, and bending that out towards the top, and just layering the other two fingers in behind. I'm just going to bend the thumb coming up towards the body, and then back in behind the finger. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that first finger across the bottom, and then add the second, and then the third, and then bend in the thumb. Now I want to go back and clean up our drawing one final time before we add more details. Now I'm going to switch to the side edge of my 2mm pencil and start adding some shadows. So we start with the bottom edge of the nose. Just going to push this into shadow across the bottom and then blend that up. I'm going to leave a little bit of a highlight in the center of the nose. Add a little bit of shadow along the outside of the eyelids. And it will darken up the mustache, starting across the bottom, just pulling this up towards the nose. Now with the feet, we just want to shade this along the inside and go up towards a highlight along the outside edge. Now with the body, I just want to inset the shadow and reflection along the inside, leaving a little bit of a highlight. I'm just going to blend that in. This will help give the head a little bit of shape and definition. Let's add some coming down from the top. And as we get closer to the end, I'm just going to tighten up my shadows and reflection, and always be sure to sign my artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a pencil illustration of Mr. Potato Head from Toy Story. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.